I specifically recommend this NearHub for several different reasons. It does everything that I want within the teaching field. So now I'm over here. I still have my whiteboard that I can use. I can go to a lecture. So I can go through and present each of the diagrams that I'm presenting. At the same time, I can come over here, but if I'm presenting some subject like this, I can refine what I'm talking about and describe in more detail exactly what I'm talking about over here. Or I could talk about, these different aspects of this in relationship to what I'm showing over here. So again, there's a lot of different ways of my elaborating on the basic information that I'm presenting in a way that's going to help students see it more clearly as I go along and respond to questions. I can respond to questions over here about information that I might be presenting over here. And that's really what it's all about.